Hello students, welcome to our channel Study Fact. You may know that Bachelor of Design or BDes or B.Design is an established degree in design field at undergraduate level. BDes degree is a full-time 4-year course offered in various specializations such as fashion designing, interior designing, accessory designing, textile designing and much more. Over the years, the BDes degree has evolved and now offered in various design specializations such as graphic designing, multimedia designing, VFX design, visual communication and game designing. This broadens the scope of B.Design degree with career options, opportunities in various industries as well as new technology learning. The course curriculum comprises of CAD, CAM, product development, marketing, specialization-specific subjects, vocational subjects, elective subjects as well as personality and skills development subjects. Students who pursue BDes course get exposure of the design industry with internships, events, exhibitions at national as well as international level. So in this video, I will talk about top BDes colleges in India with their courses, fees, facilities, scholarships, placements, etc. But before we begin, I want to thank all of you for joining into today's video. If you are new to our videos, please subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get more educational and informative videos. So today's discussion will be on Indian Institute of Technology or IIT in Bombay. Indian Institute of Technology Bombay or IITB was founded in 1958 with the help of funds provided by UNESCO. It was the first Indian institution to be established with foreign assistance. The institute is recognized as an institute of eminence by the Indian government. It has a sprawling campus situated in Powai, Mumbai and consists of 16 departments, 19 centers and one school of excellence offering numerous bachelor's, master's and doctoral courses. So let's talk about this college's facilities. IIT Bombay has a variety of instructional facilities and teaching aids which are of significance for its students and faculty. Computer classrooms with individual workstations have been provided for each department. IIT Bombay has well-equipped laboratories with state-of-the-art facilities. The Central Library in IIT Bombay is one of the best technical libraries in India. The web-based library catalog is accessible from anywhere on the campus's local area network. The computer center provides computational facilities to users in the institute. The center also administers the computer network and internet links. The campus-wide fiber optic network provides a high-speed backbone. The Application Software Cell or ASC of IIT Bombay is responsible for software applications used in IIT Bombay such as academic software for admissions, course registration, grading and scholarships, accounting and payroll, administrative and HR software, and for a variety of other applications such as the library, estate and hostel management, security and hospital administration, etc. Well-equipped air-conditioned seminar rooms, conference halls and lecture theatres facilitate the organization of workshops, lectures and conferences. The institute also has an in-house hospital with facilities to take care of all general health issues for residents. The two institute guest houses are Jal Bihar and Van Vihar. Souvenir items like t-shirts, mugs, tea coasters, bags, etc. are available at the Alumni Association souvenir shop. The Hostel Coordinating Unit or HCU is established in the -1 level of the main building of IIT Bombay. The HCU has the task of managing and coordinating the actions of 17 hostels of campus. The HCU also oversees the workforce under the centralized hostel management system. Some of the facilities provided by the college include things such as IIT Bombay has 17 hostels with beautiful gardens with plenty of trees. Spacious lounge, huge mess with excellent workers and ever-improving quality of mess food. Security is very well maintained. IIT facilities along with hostels, libraries, computer labs, application software cell or ASC and well-equipped air-conditioned seminar rooms, conference halls and lecture theatres. Bed, chair, study table, cupboard, etc. are provided by the hostel management. IIT Bombay has presently more than 10,000 students undergoing various UG programs such as BTech, dual degree, BSc and BDes and PG programs like MTech, PhD, MDes, MPhil, EMBA and doctoral program. In the discipline of engineering, this college offers BTech, BTech plus MTech and PhD in Aerospace Engineering, Chemical Engineering, Civil Engineering, Transportation Systems Engineering, Geotechnical Engineering, Water Resources Engineering, Structural Engineering, Ocean Engineering, Remote Sensing, Construction Technology and Management, Computer Science, Electrical Engineering, Communications and Signal Processing, Microelectronics, Mechanical Engineering, Thermal and Fluids Engineering, Computer Aided Design and Automation, and Computer Integrated Manufacturing, Metallurgical Engineering and Material Science, Ceramics and Composites, and Metallurgical Process Engineering. MTech in Aerodynamics, Dynamics and Control, Aerospace Propulsion, Aerospace Structure, Biomedical Engineering, Chemical Engineering, Transportation Systems Engineering, Geotechnical Engineering, Water Resources Engineering, Structural Engineering, Ocean Engineering, Remote Sensing, Construction Technology and Management, Computer Science, Communications Engineering, Control and Computing, Power Electronics and Power Systems, Microelectronics and VLSI, Electronic Systems, Thermal and Fluids Engineering, Design Engineering and Manufacturing Engineering, Material Science, Steel Technology, Process Engineering and Corrosion Science. MSc, MSc plus PhD and PhD in Biotechnology, Biosciences, Biomedical Engineering, Thermal and Fluids Engineering, Design Engineering and Manufacturing Engineering, Material Science, Steel Technology, Process Engineering and Corrosion Science. In the discipline of chemistry, this college offers BSc, MSc and PhD in chemistry. In the discipline of earth science, this college offers MSc in applied geology and applied geophysics, MTech in geoexploration and petroleum geosciences, and PhD in earth sciences. In the discipline of energy science and engineering, this college offers BTech plus MTech, MTech, MSc plus PhD and PhD in energy science and engineering. In the discipline of humanities and social sciences, this college offers BS in economics, MPhil in planning and development, and PhD in economics, English, philosophy, psychology and sociology. In the discipline of mathematics, this college offers BS, MSc in mathematics, applied statistics and informatics, and PhD in mathematics and statistics. This college also offers BSc, MSc and PhD in physics, M. Management, BTech plus MTech, MTech, MSc plus PhD and PhD in energy science and engineering and environmental science and engineering. So at next we will know about this college's eligibility criteria. For BTech, the candidate should have passed the 12th standard. They should also qualify the JEE Advanced. For BDes, the candidate should have passed 12th standard. They should qualify the UCEED. For BS, the candidate should have passed 12th standard. They should qualify JEE Advanced. For MTech, the candidate should have a bachelor's degree. They should also qualify GATE exam. For MSc, the candidate should have a bachelor's degree and they should qualify GATE. For MDes, the candidate should have a bachelor's degree and they should also qualify CEED. For MPhil, the candidate should have a discipline bachelor's degree and they should qualify MET. For PhD, the candidate should have a discipline bachelor's degree and they should qualify GATE or CEED. For M.Dot Management and EMBA, the candidate should have a bachelor's degree and the candidate should also have professional experience. Indian Institute of Technology or IIT Bombay has some entrance exams like JEE Advanced for Bachelor of Technology or BTech or BTech plus MTech, CEED exam for PhD and Master of Design or MDes, and IIT JAM for Master of Science or MSc and MSc plus PhD program. The students of IITB have access to a number of scholarships. The institute offers various merit-cum-means scholarships to meritorious students from economically weak backgrounds. Many private scholarships granted by Alumni Fund and other corporate organizations can be availed by students. Various government scholarships can be received by students like DBT Scholarship, National Board of Higher Mathematics or NHBM Scholarship, Maharashtra Electricity Regulatory Commission or MERC Scholarship and Atomic Energy Regulatory Board or AERB Scholarship. IIT Placement and Training Cell provides a platform for companies and universities to interact with motivated IITians in their second and third year. Helps students build and sustain relations with companies, universities and social organizations to recruit students from IIT for internships and research opportunities. Assists in the conduction of talks, interviews and selection process of the students. It also coordinates for winter internships during December besides summer internships. Around 1,107 internships offered 907 offers from companies and 190 offers from the universities. Friends, you can find the contact number, address, email, website and online admission link of the college in this video's description. Friends, recently we launched our study app. In the app, you will get college information, career guidance videos, chapter-wise suggestions and it has a special feature which is Find Local Teacher. You will also get the app download link in this video's description. So thank you friends to be with us throughout the video. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Friends, if you want a video on a particular college, feel free to let us know in the comment section. Also, if I missed some points about this college that you know, you can also mention that. So that's all for now. I will be back with another video discussing about another college.